This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to merge contacts in Salesforce. Whether you're dealing with duplicate entries or simply trying to tidy up your database, merging contacts can streamline your Salesforce experience and improve data accuracy. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Accounts tab. This is where you'll find a list of all the accounts that are currently in your Salesforce system. Go ahead and select the account where the duplicate contacts reside. This step is crucial because merging contacts is done within their respective accounts. If you can't find the Accounts tab, make sure you have the necessary permissions or check with your Salesforce administrator to ensure your interface is set up correctly. Once you're in the specific account, scroll down the page until you reach the Contacts Related list. The Contacts Related list is essentially a section that aggregates all the contacts associated with that particular account. This is where you'll perform the merging action. If you have a large list of contacts, it might be helpful to use the search function to quickly locate the duplicates you intend to merge. Next, look for the Merge Contacts button. It's typically located near the top of the Contacts Related list. Click this button to initiate the merging process. This feature is specifically designed to help you combine duplicate contacts seamlessly, ensuring that all relevant information is consolidated into a single contact entry. After clicking the Merge Contacts button, you'll be presented with a list of contacts associated with the account. Here, you'll want to check the boxes next to the contacts you wish to merge. It's important to carefully select the correct contacts to avoid merging unrelated entries. Take your time to review the list and ensure you're merging the right duplicates. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data. Once you've selected the contacts to merge, click the Next button. This will take you to a new screen where you can review the contact details. In this step, Salesforce will ask you to choose the master record. The master record is the contact entry that will remain after the merge, and it will inherit the details from the other contact entries. Carefully review the information to ensure that the most accurate and comprehensive details are retained in the master record. And that's it! You've successfully merged contacts in Salesforce. By following these steps, you've not only cleaned up duplicate entries, but also ensured that your contact database is more organized and efficient. Regularly maintaining and merging contacts can significantly enhance your Salesforce experience, leading to better data accuracy and more efficient customer relationship management. Remember, keeping your database clean is crucial for effective communication and marketing efforts. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. See you in the next video.